Hi everybody, welcome back to Armcandy. We've got another gorgeous mulberry lily to show you today. And if you didn't already love the mulberry lily, which I know so many of you do, it's like a perfect little mulberry bag, then you're going to love it in this colour. It's a gorgeous bright red, almost corally colour, which I really like. We've got an adjustable leather and chain plaited strap, so you can have it as a double strap, which is a little bit shorter, or if you just pull it through, then you've got a nice long strap as well. Attached to that strap, we've got the mulberry cloche, which has a little mulberry padlock poking out the bottom. And then we've got a flat closure mulberry postman's lock. And I love the lily because it's just such a simple but gorgeous design. Inside we've got suede interior and we've got one zipped pocket. So really nice and simple. It does exactly what you would want it to. The condition of it is in a very good condition. So the exterior, interior and hardware we've called all very good. The leather on the exterior is mostly perfect. And I'll show you those corners so you can see what I mean. It is in a really nice condition. The reason we've called it very good is you can see along the back here, there is one tiny little bit where it's not even wear really. You can just see that there's a little bit of dark colour on that leather trim just there, and then on this cloche as well, a very slight little bit of small dark colour on there, but other than that, that leather on the exterior is perfect. The hardware, this postman's lock has a little bit of scratching, some light scratching to it. You can see underneath as well. If I just open it up, there is a little bit of light scratching to that hardware. But again, other than that, it is perfect. This chain strap is really nice. It's got a lovely feel to it, and that all looks really lovely and shiny. It's a nice bright gold tone, which goes really nicely with this corally colour. And then the interior, this nice suede interior, again, almost perfect. We've just called it very good because the white on this mulberry is just very slightly fading. But other than that, it's in a perfect condition. So that is why we've called the condition very good all around. It comes with a little mulberry envelope. And inside there, we've got mulberry care card. And then we've got a little mulberry card sleeve too. And then we have mulberry dust bag. And we've got a mulberry paper bag. So if you're looking for a gift for a mulberry lover, this would be a really nice option. If you'd like to know the exact measurements for it, if you would like to if you would like the link to shop, go for the link in the description below. That is the link to shop this exact mulberry bag on armcandybagco.com. If that link doesn't take you straight to this bag and it just takes you to our generic product page, that does mean this has sold. But if you've seen it and you've fallen in love with it but you've missed out on it this time, let us know and we'll get you on the request list for one. And then as soon as we have in another one, you'll be one of the first to know, and then you can hopefully get in there nice and quickly next time. So that is the website and the request list. I'm going to show you the size on me for reference. So this is the size medium. I'm a size UK 10 and I am 5'4". So with those shorter straps, I can pop it on my shoulder, which is a really gorgeous colour. I'm just going to make sure this lighting is right so you can see that colour nicely. Or you can pull that strap through and you've got a nice long strap and you can pop it crossbody as well. So go to the link in the description below to have a look at this gorgeous bag on our website. Don't forget to sign up to our newsletter while you're on there and we'll send you through your welcome discount code. Have a look at the How to Style Us page as well if you're interested in selling your pre-loved designer bags. And don't forget, while you're here, like this video, subscribe to our channel, hit the alert button. If you're a bag lover, we've got so many gorgeous bags to show you. So we will see you very soon with some more.